In this video, I will tell you how to become an attractive man. Before you start the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy watching! Order a food you don't prefer. If you choose dishes that you have never preferred before each time, your food culture will improve at the end of the day. Think about it. If there were not 1,000 different kinds of food in the world, gourmetism would not exist. Women and men either enjoy cooking or eating. If you want to stand out, you should be able to try foods that have never been tried before. Be comfortable. Not everyone may have this chance, but if you have your own company, whether small or large, you are lucky gentlemen because you are automatically more attractive to people. Even though the employer and the job have full responsibility on you, you still have the chance to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and this is a unique blessing, especially in these periods. Know your value and try to create this chance for yourself. Read. Bookstores, secondhand booksellers, biography books, comics, novels, poetry books, cookbooks, books are everywhere. Even a bad book can contain something good and teach you something. Buy books and don't lie about reading books. The only way to have a serious opinion on every subject is through this, whether you like it or not. Let us warn you. Listen to different types of music. Yes, as a general rule, people stay true to the type of music they listen to growing up throughout their lives. We never stop evolving, and listening to other types of music is not betraying your past. There are hundreds of different types of music in the world, and it is very easy to access all of them. Listen to as much as you can. Having a culture of different music will automatically make you attractive. Don't share your private life too much. The internet is a great invention. Social media is great, yes, but that's it. Although we are happy to share how fun our lives are, experts argue that this situation leads to a hidden and dangerous narcissism. It should not be forgotten that being mysterious is interesting. Take a little step back. Let people wonder where you are and what you do.